does Amazon PPC impact organic rankings and listing performance? Yes, it does. And the way how this would be impacting is whenever you're running advertising for your listing and whenever it's converting the keyword that you ran advertising on, then Amazon is going to reward you through relevancy. So example, again, cat scratch furniture protector. Let's say this is our product, which is a product that is going to help you against cat scratches on the furniture, and say that you're going to run ads for this specific product, and cat scratch furniture protector is one of your keywords, main keywords, and then you're running ads for that specific keyword, cat scratch furniture protector, and in exact match. And you see that you are ranking higher and higher on the first page of Amazon. This is proof for you that actually running ads for one specific keyword did help you with organic ranking. Now, something else that can happen is that even if you have this specific keyword, you're running ads for it, but your competitors' listings or prices or whatever they're doing on their end, either they have faster shipping, either they have a lower pricing, either they have better images, either they have way more reviews than you. So in case that you're seeing that you're running an exact match for this keyword and you're still not sticking on the first page, what can happen is that, okay, genuinely your competition is way stronger. So then besides Amazon ads, I will still be running ads because I want to see, okay, how it's going to perform once that we're improving the one thing, right? So in this case, let's say that we're still running ads. We would not stop ads. Why? Because otherwise, if you're stopping ads, Amazon is going to penalize you because you organically showed up for something and you're pushing it with advertising. And if you're stopping ads completely, then no one is going to find you. So it's going to be a skewed test. So in this case, we are running ads. We're running ads for the exact same keyword. And let's say we're going to test the main image. We're going to improve our main image or thumbnail and then see, hey, did this help with getting clicks quicker than the previous main image? And if it did, great. At least now you have proof that it's a listing issue, at least that you can control. And then we will conduct exactly the same things on the rest of the images. And if we can, we are going to improve our A+ content. If we can, we are going to improve our, all the other things that we can improve on our listing pricing, if that is one of the things, or coupons or so on. But genuinely, we tested pausing ads and we tested also running ads. When we tested this and we noticed that we are not comparing anymore apples to apples or oranges to oranges. We are comparing oranges to apples because now we don't have anymore the traffic that is generated. We're just hanging on, hey, this worked organically. It's not pushing anymore with ads organically. And then we compare data that was skewed.